Okay, let's start with the most popular biceps exercise of all time, the barbell curl. Right away, we can see that tension on the biceps isn't exactly optimal. The hardest part of the range is when the elbow is at 90 degrees, and above that, tension goes down, and below that, tension also goes down until it reaches zero tension at the very bottom. And the very bottom is also when the biceps are most stretched. So this most likely isn't ideal, but you'll still grow your biceps as long as you're pushing hard. And the barbell curl is very good for overload. You can easily add a little weight each week. The biggest issue is that the straight barbell puts some strain on my wrists. Plus, in public gyms, hugging up a squat rack just to do curls is bad etiquette. That's because you can do curls so many different ways, but you really need a squat rack to do barbell squats. All things considered, I think the barbell curl belongs in C tier plus, but I'll bump it up to B tier just because it's so accessible. The easy bar curl is the same thing, except the handles curve in a way that eases up some torque on my wrists. I use the outer part of the easy bar because a shoulder width grip feels more comfortable. This grip angle puts you in between a fully supinated grip, like you'd use on barbell curls, and a neutral grip, like you'd use on hammer curls. However, if you use this in-between angled grip, you will take your biceps out of supination to some degree. This means it might shift some tension toward the brachialis and brachioradialis instead of the biceps per se. So to make sure my biceps are still firing, I simply think about driving through my pinkies as I curl. Problem solved. I actually really like the easy bar curl, especially as a heavy free weight bicep movement in the 6 to 8 rep range. From an optimization standpoint, it probably belongs in B tier, but I'm gonna go ahead and bump it up to A tier because it's still an exercise I do quite often for the convenience, simplicity, and overload.